What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. Well guys, have you received the newest information about the Veo 3 has already updated? So, do you would like to know about the output when we try this new version? So, without any further ado, and let's try this new version guys. Well guys, if you are the user of the Gemini AI, then you can still have the chance to generate the video from this AI. And as you can see, this is the Gemini AI that I have also subscribed into the pro version guys. And in this homepage, you will find the information like this in the homepage. New video generation just got better with Veo 3.1. This is the newest generation or the newest version. But if you would like to try this Veo 3.1, but if you have not purchased or subscribed their package like the monthly package or annual package, don't worry guys, because here I have also got the information too, or have tried to. This is initially when I open my Google Gemini AI, but in this account I haven't ever to purchase the subscription or their package. But after you update it or do the refreshment on this website or in this link, so you will find like this. Even when you have not purchase or subscribe their package yet, you still have the chance to generate the video guys. And how to try that? Well, you can start to click try now over here like this and like this for example, and after that you will still have the chance to generate your own video into this section without any subscription. Isn't that cool, right? So please, you can start to try to create the video into this Veo 3.1 and even in the version of 2.5 Flash over here. And for example, I will show you the output of the video that I have done before. And still, by using this Veo 3.1, you will still have 3 chances to generate the video, and you will find the information like this. I have 2 chances more to generate the video because I have one, or I have tried to generate one. For example, I use the prompt like this. I would like to generate a video of a chef who is trying to melting the chocolate on the pan and also on the stove, and another chef still doing their work into the kitchen. So you can actually try this prompt and you can simply screenshot it, and after waiting for maybe 1 until 2 seconds, the video would be like this guys. So for example, I will download it and I will play this video for you. So this is the detail of this video. As you can see, that the look still really realistic and also beautiful, and you will find the watermark on this bottom right corner, and you will see the another detail of the chef that still cooking something in the kitchen, and also this is the look. So yeah, and finally you can try to generate this video into the newest version of Veo 3. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And don't forget to try this Veo 3.1 to generate your favorite video. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.